I can never ever eat alone. That's for sure. Here, you have that. Here, you take that. And Sammy, you take. Oh wait, I can't reach. I'm sorry, baby. 1 second. 1 second. I can't hold the phone. Here, Sam. These are low-carb tortilla wraps. That's what they are. Low-carb tortilla wraps. Whole wheat. You want a little bit, Rock? Here. Everybody's too close to me. You want another piece? And poor Django up there is dying for some. I'll bring you some in a minute, Django. Here you go, Sam. Good smiles. Here. Here. I was putting hummus on it for them, but I put the hummus away. It's enough. Don't fight over that. Here, I'll give you your own. You don't have to fight. Sammy, one more. Oh, you want one more? I can't not give you a piece when you say more, Rocker. You want more? You want more? You want more? You want more? Yes, here you go. That was adorable. Alright guys, so that's my life. Never can I eat alone. Sammy! Sammy, say goodbye to everyone. Thank you.